Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My voice sounds a little crazy today, so don't mind that. I'm not feeling well right now, but I have to get this video out because it's been a while since Born Pretty sent me this PR. So of course, it is a gel polish set, and it does come with instructions on how to apply, remove, etc. And here are some of the ingredients and different things like that. They're always on the back of the box. And it comes with 6 gorgeous colors. So this is their rose petal collection. So naturally it is pink. And I'm not a huge pink fan, but I do love some good nudes. And this set has some really good nudes in it. So these are 7 mLs, and you can see on top of the stickers that they have the ones that have glitter or are also cat eye. They have that little like shimmery line through the top of the sticker. So I love those little indicators on their bottles, so we'll definitely get into that while I'm swatching. I don't know why the lint was so strong when I was doing these swatches today, but it was really getting on my nerves. However, this is the color number 1. I will show you the first coat, and then I will also show you the second coat. So for the second swatch, I just really wanted to focus on the cat eye because honestly, swatches can be a little bit boring. So, and I try not to bore everybody on my channel, but this is a really gorgeous glitter. It's also reflective, and it's just, the cat eye is absolutely beautiful. In person, it was kind of hard for me to see it, but on camera, you could see it really well. While I'm activating the cat eye. So yeah, it's really, really pretty, and I really love this color. So I actually received this before Thanksgiving, and now we're after Christmas, and I was going to make a set for my mom. So the set that I wanted to do in this video is very simple. She said she just wanted something fun but not too fancy. But I don't know. Does my mom really know me? Because I love to get fancy with my nails, and I'm like, Mom, that's hard for me. But okay, I'll figure something out. So number 5 was another cat eye, and number 6 was another like really pretty like dark rose color. So the name of this collection absolutely fits the description. So this is 1 coat, and here's what it looks like with the flash on. That number 2 is just gorgeous. And then coming up here are 2 coats, and yeah, really, really love these. Of course, the more layers that you do, the more pigmented the polishes get. Some of them are a little bit more transparent, but color number 1 is my favorite, and I love that color. It's a beautiful new color. So I did go in with my Born Pretty base coat. I love this base coat. I actually need to order more because I'm almost out of it. It's on the thin side, but it's also just very easy to apply, and I love the brush that comes in that base coat. And then I also went in, I believe this is color number 1. It's color number 1 or 3. I just wanted a little bit of something in the background before I went in with the cat eye. And then I'm going in with color number 5. And I wanted to do something different with the cat eye. I didn't want it to be like your normal, typical across the nail, so on and so forth. And I don't know. So I decided to take the cat eye and just kind of angle it in the corner of the nail. I almost wanted to do like a French cat eye, but then I was like, I just kind of really like this angled look like around the corner. So that is exactly what I did. And right now I'm just making sure to smooth out the gel polish, but also make sure to get all the magnetic pieces even. So in order to achieve the look that I wanted to do today, I just kind of pulled the cat eye towards the corner. And then I took the corner of this rectangle magnet, and I pushed everything from the opposite corner that I wanted to go into the corner that I wanted. So I don't know, for cat eye, it just kind of depends, like I said, the look that you're trying to achieve. But for me, I find it easier to kind of try to pull everything where I want it to go and then push it. So pull and then push it where you want it. And it just ended up looking so cute. So of course, this is the first layer. I was trying to get it as thin as possible around the bottom there and thicker in the corner. And then, I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. Everybody is still sleeping here, and even though it's like 12:30 in the afternoon. And so if you hear baby Cheeto snoring in the background, I'm out in my living room and she's sleeping on the couch. But for the second layer, the effect just turned out really pretty because the tint and the polish actually covered the first cat eye layer, and it just gave it like this pink hue behind the silver of the second layer or the second coat, and it just ended up turning out really pretty. I did not plan that out. I did not, you know, like anything like that. So yeah, I'm just really happy to be back. I've just been really, like I said in my last video, going through a lot of changes right now. Life, trying to figure out where I'm going and what I want to do. But I just feel really good things coming in for me, and I'm like super happy about it. Even if it's not here yet, I know it's coming, and I've just been really trying to put good energy and be the change that I want to see in the world, because yeah, I don't understand. There's just so much negativity and everything going on in life right now, and people passing away, people going missing, this and that, and it breaks my heart, like literally. So I just kind of try to take some of that heaviness and turn it into positive energy. I've just really been really big on that lately, and I feel like it's about to pay off. So let's keep it going, right? So you can see I just went in with some snowflake stickers. It took me so long to post this video. Born Pretty actually asked if I could do like a Christmas set with these polishes, but I actually already did a winter theme with them with those little stickers. So now I'm just going in and getting all those little nubs off the end of the nails and shaping everything up, making sure everything looks nice and crisp after I already went in with my Born Pretty top coat, which ironically is very strong, even though it's also on the thin side. I really enjoy that, and it's super high shine. So after I file my press-ons and I get everything shaped, excuse me, the way that I want it, then I go in with this small sanding band. I only use it for press-ons, so even though it looked used, it's because I've been doing a lot of nails. And so I just etch the inside of each nail, and then I put everything on my little nail card how I want it, make sure it's all nice and beautiful and centered, and then I will show you what the cat eye looks like. But I wanted to thank you all so much for being the best part of my channel and continuing to come back, even though I've been taking longer breaks lately just because I need them. And I really, really, really appreciate it. And if you're new here, I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. I don't require that you like and share my videos, but if you do, I absolutely appreciate it. And again, I hope you enjoyed this set. It is just so elegant and pretty. I really love the color. And this Born Pretty gel polishes are always just gorgeous. I love working with their polishes, and they self-level great, and they cure very easy. My cure time, or my go-to cure time, is 60 seconds, and I cure my top coat and make it nice and shiny for 2 minutes. But again, thank you for coming, and I will see you in my next video.